Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a current backup. Now start. Press Win+I to open settings, then choose Accounts so you control user scope. Once in Accounts, go to Family and Other Users. This is where Windows lists local and Microsoft profiles. Click Add someone else to this PC and decide. Create a Microsoft account for sync or a local account for simplicity. Make sure to pick a secure password and add recovery info so you can restore access if needed. Once the account exists, set privileges deliberately. Select the new user, choose Change Account Type, and pick Administrator only if they need system control. Otherwise, pick Standard to limit risk. For finer control, open NetBlue for auto login or to edit group memberships. This is useful for shared machines. Also create a password reset USB via Control Panel's user accounts. This prevents lockout. Make sure to explain role differences to users, so permissions match real needs and reduce accidental changes. Once done, sign out and sign in as the new user to verify settings, apps, and access. Migrate personal files from C/users/old user to the new profile and fix NTFS permissions so files remain private. If you need to remove the old account, delete it from Accounts and choose whether to keep files. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't change roles due to UAC or no admin, boot safe mode or enable the built-in administrator using an elevated command. Net user administrator /active.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.